Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So yep, it is granite time. So I have cleaned everything off the counters. I wiped them down. Not too good because they still need to look dirty so I can keep with my plan. Anyway, this is how it's looking. Yeah, I am so ready. But I also wanted to show you how the film that I put on the dishwasher and the refrigerator is looking. Again, honestly, I kind of wish I just would have painted it versus using this film because it has a bunch of bubbles in it. Now the top part of the refrigerator, perfect. The bottom part, you can see the bubbles. And no matter what I do, if I kind of push it, the bubbles still come back. Somebody said that you can stick a pinhole in it to get that air out. I don't want no holes in it. So again, to me, waste of money. Anyway, one day I might just peel it off and just go with my pan of spray paint and paint it. But for now, since I did the effort and paid the money, I'm gonna leave it on. I don't know, when I was filming this and looking through the viewfinder, it was very dark and I didn't think you were going to be able to see it. So I'm pulling my cell phone out, trying to put the light on it. And yeah, you can see it. It's pretty good. So that part there. Yeah. So I also wanted to show you these under cabinet lightings that I got. They are rechargeable with the USB cord. I really love these lights. I've had them now for about, I don't know, 3 months or so, but they're motion detected and they turn on and off and you just plug them up to charge and stick them back under the cabinet. Got these from Amazon. I'll link them below just in case you want some. So here is the guy who is he's detaching the sink.
My granite is here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited my granite is
here. I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know?